Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I was just sitting at work going through some of my pictures from back in the day, and I realized that I really don't have that many from when I had the shops. I know I've told you guys a couple times that I had a couple rock and gem shops, and I did casting and jewelry work back in the day. And anyway, I gathered them up, what I have, which was shocking to me, which was not that much, and just put a little slideshow together for you guys so you can kind of maybe go back and take a look at some of the work that I did back in the day and some of the stuff that I made. Like I said, there's not a whole lot. Basically, because it wasn't like today. We didn't have cell phones with digital cameras on them. In fact, my very first cell phone, I think I got it in '93 or '94, and it was actually a bag phone, and it had a cord on it like a regular old timey phone, and it was the big chunky bag. But anyway, so we didn't have video cameras in our hand and phone and cameras in our hands all the time back then. So a lot of these pictures were taken with a regular 35 millimeter camera. And actually, I didn't even get a digital camera until I started my website in 1999, I believe it was. And that thing was, back then it was a 4 megapixel Sony camera, and it actually used a floppy disk, not a SD card or a memory card. It was actually a floppy disk. You could put about 10 pictures on the disk before you had to take them off, and that thing was like $900 back then. So anyway, I thought y'all might like to see some of the stuff I made and some of the work that I did back then. So I threw this little slideshow together, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and we will talk at you in the next one. Have a good one, guys.